Hi, in this video I will show you how to install Visual Studio 2017 Community Edition. First, let's download the installer from here. Just open the browser, go scroll, find the Visual Studio 2017, and then you can download the edition you want. I'm gonna use the Community Edition. Once downloaded, open the installer, then click Continue. Okay, and then select the workload you needed. For me, I'm gonna just use the .NET Desktop development and also ASP.NET, and then click Install. Now let's wait until it's finished. And that's it. When finished, you can launch the Visual Studio 2017. Just click Launch. If you see this issue could not start Visual Studio to an error, don't worry about it. We can fix it. Just click OK. And then the next thing we need to do is to click the Start menu and then type for the environment variable. So type in the environment variable and click the Edit the System Environment Variables. Just click it and then go to the environment variables. And then find the Node options. So you probably have Node.js installed on your Windows. Just click and then click Edit. And let's rename it to something else. For example, I'm gonna add the underscore like this. And then click OK. And then click OK again. Okay, now we try to launch the Visual Studio 2017. And click Launch. And this time it will work without any issue. Okay, for now I'm just skip the sign in and then click Start Visual Studio. Alright, now the Visual Studio 2017 is launched successfully. So we go back to the environment variable again. So open it, open the environment variables, click environment variables, and then this time we need to set the node options back. Just click Edit and we remove the underscore here and then click OK and then click OK again. Okay, now let's try to open Visual Studio 2017 again. Alright, so this time it should work without any issue. Okay, now you can use it to develop your software or anything else. And I think that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.